Pictory AI, the future of automated video editing. Have you ever spent hours editing a video? Or have you ever wished there was a way to automate the process and save time? Well, today we're going to introduce you to Pictory AI, the future of automated video editing. You can explore this tool in the description also. Use promo code OY78 to claim 20% off for this tool. You can also use the free trial. Pictory AI is a cutting-edge software that uses artificial intelligence to edit your videos automatically. It eliminates the need for manual editing and makes video editing easy and accessible to everyone. Introducing Pictory AI's key features. 1. Automated editing. Pictory AI uses AI algorithms to analyze your video footage and automatically creates an edited video. This includes color correction, stabilization, cropping, and more. 2. Customization. Pictory AI allows you to customize your video by choosing from a variety of styles and templates. You can also add your own branding and logos to the video. 3. Easy to use. Pictory AI's interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can simply upload your video footage, choose a template, and let the AI do the rest. Pictory is quite the AI video creation tool. Users can quickly turn texts and long videos into short, engaging video content. The transcription and subtitles features give marketers the upper hand as it helps their content rank better on SERPs. However, there's room for improvement. You can explore this tool in the description also. Use promo code OY78 to claim 20% offer for this tool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.